working on skill number 6.5 or level A, and he's having a little bit hard time to comprehend this. So I think it's a good idea to do this as a group. Are you guys ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So first one, Luis did it earlier today, and he's gonna show you how he did for number 1. Are you ready?
Find f of x and add g of x, right? So add them together.
Yeah, find what this means and then add it to this.
No. Add these two together, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so you can't add this and that because they're two different things, right?
So how would you start expressing it like down here?
Okay.
You can't add them because they're not like terms.
Can you spell it out?
Not like terms.
Like terms. Very good.
Okay, so you add them together, right? These two cancel out, so you put these down. 2x squared plus 7x. And that's the answer.
Okay, very good.
Very good,
So
Luis.
now he's gonna explain the number 2.
I'm not
one
explaining
that-
number 2.
No, he had a little
Why?
bit of a hard time.
What are your questions?
Oh wait, Eleni hasn't cut
Okay.
up yet.
Oh,
Do you have a question, Han?
I just have no idea how he did it. What happened? What was that?
Okay, so look, right?
Okay.
This tells you you need to add f of x and g of x together, right? So these two, right, there they are. This is f of x and that's g of x.
Yes.
So what are your questions?
You're supposed to add these two together, right?
Yeah, because that says so.
And then these canceled out.
Yeah,
Look, if,
Then
because you're
you
adding
have
them, right?
all of this left, so it's like,
Since you can't add them together, that gives you the answer.
why?
Because it just does.
here you can only
That-
combine
so-
an x with another x.
So
Yeah.
this is just this.
No.
Yes. No, what she's asking is if gx is the same thing as this. Yes, that's why there's an equal sign.
Yeah.
Or this is the same as this. So all
Yes.
of this combined equals the gx.
Yeah, that's the function of g.
They're both the same. This is an equal sign between to like represent that.
Or x,
Perfect.
whatever.
So maybe she's having a hard time. Can we add 2 different functions? Maybe this is the first time she ever seen such thing.
Maybe, Louis.
Okay.
What if it is?
Because look, if this was plus, it would be 10. So then it'd be...
That's a really good plus sign. Continue.
then it'd be 2x squared plus 7x plus 10. And that's the answer.
Okay.
But since it's not, and that's a minus, a negative 5 plus a positive 5 is a 0.
I just figured that after you cancel those out, you still have like all this left.
No, you don't put this down. You only put what's here.
Okay.
And since you
Okay.
can't add these two because they're two different variables, this gives you the answer.
I understand a little more, but only.
What other questions do you have?
I think we just need to do more of them.
Okay,
I don't
what
think
if Luis, what if I ask you something like 2 times of f of x plus g of x?
I think you're wrong.
What if I do such thing?
I have no idea.
Can we multiply f of x? Can we double f of x?
Yes.
Yes. Then when you double f of x, what?
Maybe f,
Mm-hmm.
f, parenthesis thingy 2.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So you take this thing, right, and then multiply by 2.
Yeah.
So then what do you get?
14 and 10.
So write that down. 14x and then plus 10. Very good. Now, hon, can you add g of x to this?
Maybe.
Yeah. So add.
Are you doing it or am I doing it?
I am.
Okay. So when you combine all of that, what will you have?
Oh, wait, that's a minus.
Euro. What? Oh, yeah. Yeah, this one was minus.
Okay. Yeah, you understand?
Are we good? Yeah, I think he's already started working on it.
I don't know how to do this, and that's wrong.
This one?
Jessica Robles
Yeah, he
to
got
the
it wrong.
office. Jessica Robles to the
Okay.
office, please.
Can we stop
Harrison
you
to the
for 1
office.
second?
Harrison to the office.
Okay. So number 2, this one is asking take away one function from another, right? But you start with a g of x, right? G minus f of x, right?
4 minus 3.
Can you follow? He just write down it's what's given, and then what does he say here?
He has to whatever the f has. So you have 4. You can like subtract the 3. You get 4 minus 3.
So
That's
you start with a 4. So write that down there. You start with a 4.
do I just make a 4?
Yeah.
Yeah, like
No, I will go this way. Sure.
Look what you did.
I know it says g minus 5, right? So you take the g into
So
consideration.
this is what she did.
Where did you get 5?
Where did I get 5?
GF? Is that a 5?
Right?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm
So then
lost.
it's like-
Hold on.
Okay, hang on. Are you okay with this?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have any question?
No, I'm like really not. It's hard to pay attention. I'm sorry, Mrs. Lee.
So I'm going to ask you, what does it mean when you have minus sign in front of this parenthesis?
A 1. I don't know.
There is a 1 is omitted. Is that what you think?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like a minus 1 times the whole thing inside of a parenthesis.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is a 4 minus 1 times 6x power to the second?
4 minus 3.
Write that down.
All right.
4 minus,
Lee, come on, man.
so copy 4, no, don't do that.
Okay.
There's no 3 here. Slow down. 4 and minus
I'm trying to make it in your shape.
6x squared. And then what? What do I do with this adding 3 with negative 1 times with a parenthesis?
Adam? Right?
What do you mean add?
Negative 3 plus. Wait, negative 1 plus 3 is 2, right? Is
No.
That, okay.
Negative 1. It's not, okay, there's something is omitted between this 1 and parenthesis. There's something is omitted. What is it?
I don't know.
Luis, do you want to help him?
Look.
What is omitted here?
So this is negative 1, right? We're gonna do like distribution of property or whatever. So 1 times anything is by itself, right? So it's negative, so that would be negative 6, and that'd be negative 3. You put it down here. So negative 6 minus 3, and that's 4 is still there. So you put 4 and 3 together, and then you get negative. Oh no, you just get 1.
So slow
Positive
down
1.
here. So what he meant here, there's
Skylar
Times
and Marshall to
is
the office,
omitted.
please. Skylar and Marshall
Okay.
to the office.
Yeah.
so you know distributive property.
I hope so, yeah.
So if I give
have to leave.
2,
Unbelievable.
you have to leave. Why?
I don't know. They call me to the office.
Okay. 2a plus, for example, 3c, something like that. Can you simplify this?
I don't know. 3CA? Oh, I don't know, Lee. How do you mean simple? Is like distribute it? Or
Yeah,
like,
distribute. 2 times a is
2 times a is 2a.
2a, and
Plus
plus
6c.
6c. Okay?
Yeah, man.
So if I have like negative 4 times 2 minus 3b, something like that, then what do you do?
Multiply, right? So you got
Then?
negative 8.
Negative 8, thank you.
You got positive 12b.
Positive 12b.
Right.
Excellent. What
Yeah,
if
damn,
I
gonna cry,
have,
man.
what if I have 1 times 2k minus 3h?
You have 2k minus 3h, right?
Then you have a 2k minus 3h. Very good. What if I have negative 1 times
Negative 2k plus
negative
3h.
2k plus 3h? Perfect. So let's get back to here. You have a 4 times 1.
Yeah.
Sorry, 4 minus, my bad. 4 minus 1 times 6x squared plus the 3. Then you will have 4, what?
Negative minus
Minus
6x squared
6x squared
plus 3. Minus
plus
3
what?
plus 3. Okay, we're distributing a negative 1, right?
Yeah,
So it would be negative 3.
yes. So what is the final answer here? Do we have like terms? Four, and then this, right?
This is 1.
So when you combine, you have what?
1
1
minus
minus,
6x squared.
perfect.
Sorry, yeah.
Can you please fix your answer?
Of course.
Yeah. Okay, then what is happening here?
I don't know. Here, I'll try doing it again this way, yeah?
Mm-hmm. You're just adding, combine. You might want to try B again. So here, when you look at this two function, f of x and g of x, what is the highest power in g of x?
Cube? X cube?
Okay, how about here?
3x, negative 3.
There's no
squared.
cube, right?
No.
So you might want to revisit this. I don't know what's happening here.
Oh, no, man.
So let's revisit this one in a
Would
second.
it be, because it's a negative, would it be 5x to the second power or to the fourth power?
So you have a negative 3. The coefficient of x power to the second is negative 3, right? And then what about here? What is the coefficient of second power?
8,
8. So when you add those negative 3 and 8, what do you get?
5.
5. So put 5x squared.
Put it down here.
Mm-hmm.
And it's still just
Second
square.
power, yes. And then now, do we have 13's like term?
Yeah.
Yeah,
2.
13 and then minus 2. When you combine, what do you get?
11.
Plus 11. And then what's the leftover? Yeah? Just
X
add
to the
that?
third power plus.
Yeah?
So why is that last?
That's a very good question. So I'm okay with this, but some teachers, they like to rewrite this from a highest power to lowest power. So you might want to have another line here. Start with third power, x cubed plus 5x squared plus 11. I mean, this is much prettier and better, and most of the textbook goes like this way, but it's okay to have, they are the
They're
same
both
thing.
correct.
Okay,
Okay.
so you need to get the idea it is okay to combine two different functions. Okay, so these were for by adding, and this was subtraction.
Okay.
So try to work on this one, okay?
That's what they're wanting?
you need to have that order because you start with a G. So I start with 4 here. If they have the other way around, then I should have started with this 6x squared, right?
I just didn't understand because here it's
Like, that's super close to it.
inside of the parentheses G minus 5. Here it's
No,
outside.
no, it's a G. Yes, G minus 5. A G minus half, you mean, right?
He has a girlfriend.
G.
Let me show you.
This is G.
Yeah, but why is it outside here? But like here, I don't. Okay, I'm okay with it being outside, right? I just understand why it's outside. You know what I mean? Because like you couldn't have made that inference from just this, you know?
So I think you're confused. When we are using parentheses here, we just need to make sure this whole thing is f of x, okay? And this one, g minus f of x, it's just a notation. This is the same as, take the g of x, guys, and minus f of x from it. They are the same thing. But instead of writing this format, some textbook goes like this, which is okay. Okay?
Of course.
So if you have, do you think it will be more easier to understand?
Maybe,
Yeah?
maybe yeah, maybe no. Yeah.
Yeah?
But I feel like this makes a lot more sense now that you explain it. You know?
Okay.
I might have to. Like, if instead
So-
of parentheses or whatever.
Let's take a look at this one. I think you got this correct. Yes. And then this one, honey, what do you get for this sensor?
I haven't done it yet.
Okay, can you please try?
I'm gonna
So you
try.
can like show her how I'm
still-
correct.
I'm still not done with asking you questions.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna try it. Yeah.
So you're wrong.
Where?
So you take this and subtract
Okay.
it by this.
When you say this, tell me, what is it, f of x or g of x?
I don't know. Oh, f
So-
of x.
F of x? Okay. So that one is f of x minus g of x.
Okay, so
Hang on. This one is, whole thing is what?
this is F. G. This is G.
Why are you starting with a G?
Because I was looking at this one.
Wait, so
Thank you.
f is getting subtracted
you.
by g?
You start with what?
F?
F. So you take this first
Yeah.
and then subtract what?
This.
Yes. So do it.
So how would you do that?
That's a good question. We already did it.
So do we do
Mm-hmm.
Mm,
that?
Perfect. That's f of x, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you have this parenthesis. This whole parenthesis is a g of x, right?
Yeah.
So are you multiplying your g of x by 13? Okay, good. You need to have a minus. Okay,
That's minus.
good. Okay, then what?
Okay, so
Very good. Excellent. Very good. So you basically have all the opposite. Positive will become negative, and plus become minus, minus become plus. Very good. What's the final answer? So this is, you need to copy this thing, honey.
copy what?
Copy what you have.
I did. I
over.
put that here.
Okay, I'm not following.
So this got to that.
Oh, okay, so basically this is what you did. You're adding.
Yeah.
Okay.
Or subtracting. Oh yeah, I guess adding.
Perfect. Good. Very good. Let
You're done.
Presentation.
Almost done.
Look.
This is Lee.
Nice.
Here. This negative sign before the parentheses when you're multiplying negative 3x,
Here.
but
Tornado mango.
So, great question, honey. So here's the thing. This one is your f of x, right?
yeah.
We don't do anything. We just a copy. That's it,
You take F?
right?
Yeah.
And then this one is minus, right?
Yes.
So I'm gonna just
Put it
make it a
here.
little bit longer. Okay.
Yeah.
Put a minus sign. Parentheses.
Thank you.
This
Of course,
whole thing.
Millie, you're welcome.
Subtracting F by G.
So now we need to get rid of this ugly parenthesis. How do we do
And
that?
then,
Freaking. Well, you start
so
distributing.
the
Yeah?
negative, right?
So can
Distributive
you do
property.
that?
Yes, you begin with the
put
3x
that
No,
squared.
you begin
That there,
with from
and that there.
The
here.
1.
Right?
We are
So
distributing
that turns
only
into
this
that
part.
turns into
We
that,
are
and
not
that
touching anything
turns into
here.
So
Okay, now you put this.
Yeah. This one
These
is
two
like
together.
negative 1
That's how I got
times,
this.
right?
Negative 3x squared plus 13. Right?
Perfect.
These two go together.
Perfect.
Make that.
Seriously,
11x squared.
perfect. And then you just copy this
'Cause it's
here.
negative.
Okay.
So a
Nice.
negative 11x squared. 13 plus 2 is 15. So it's just
Okay, that's
Yeah.
it. So now
Wait, that's-
that
and
is
you can do
equal
anything
to
with this
what?
'cause it's
Now
just
you
one.
just combine like
there's no
terms.
3 squared.
Oh,
or whatever.
okay. I can do
So,
that.
okay.
We have
And that's how you get the answer.
negative
You add
10x squared.
How did you get negative 10?
Because here you have a negative 3x squared, and here you have a negative 8x
So 3
squared.
plus 8 is 10. Negative
3.
3 minus 8 is 10 or 11?
Oh, it's 5. Okay, negative 3x plus
What are you guys doing?
So
negative.
he's trying to combine this.
A negative since negative is a positive,
Oh, that is only for multiplication.
we're adding them.
Yeah, we're just
Well,
combining.
negative 8 minus 3.
Yeah. And are
You're
you
just
gonna have
adding more negative,
more
right?
negatives?
It's 11.
Yes.
That's really, you could have told me I just wrote the wrong number.
No, I even said, is it 10 or 11? You just didn't
Figs, are you
listen to
getting
me.
confused? Are you getting confused, Figs?
No, Lee.
Because, like,
this
it would be less
is
confusing if you
tricky,
went
Lee,
like
come
that.
on.
No,
So
no,
that
no,
you
no.
don't think you're
no,
adding them all
honey,
together.
he already distributed.
He said
that.
yes. That's why I asked
Yeah.
him.
I said no.
You said yes.
I said Lee's just being a trickster.
What a terrible teacher, huh?
No, you're alright, Lee.
I think you're a terrible student, Figs.
And then when you add these, you get positive 15.
Okay.
And that has nothing. It just stays alone. Negative
Uh-huh.
x3 x squared.
X, no, it's not
Something
X squared.
happened.
No,
X cubed, sorry.
X cubed.
Oh, by itself, huh? No.
Yeah. No
part.
like terms. Nobody's.
Yes.
Okay.
Good job.
Nobody
Figs.
likes it cubed.
Oh. Yes, this is perfect. Do you have any questions?
Yeah, just kidding, no, Lee. That's it.
That's it. So
I
can you
put-
copy your answer there?
Well,
Is
you
she
already
okay?
have. We're working with. And then they have a negative 7.
The other one.
Huh.
No, the other one.
That's new.
So this is new. I love it. So honey, for C, number 1, Luis,
Yeah, hold on.
listen. Okay.
Alina, you looking at
So-
number C?
The question is, can I get better marker?
Here, use this one to slip.
No, I can get another color. No, I don't like orange. one.
Blue
It's
one?
Not.
Honestly, you're so picky.
It's
For this.
it's G of X is negative 10. Okay. We do G of X. You are missing something. Perfect. So to be able to answer this one, your first goal is find this. You guys just did earlier in previous question.
So you just
Oh,
multiply
yeah.
this by that.
You are not multiplying anything.
Just leave it alone.
You're just take your g of x function first, right? And minus f of x.
Okay, let's take our G, which is negative 10.
That was fast. But
Figure it out.
Are you sure that's the correct answer?
Well, yes, because you have to subtract, right? When you subtract, it's going to turn to a positive.
Wow, check it out. Mental math. Wow.
Negative 10 plus x minus, wait, what was it, G? Wait.
Minus
G minus-
negative 9.
Mrs. Lee,
Mm-hmm.
that 7, do we write it? Do we
7?
write it down? Yeah.
Oh, no. I didn't say that's 7. I said that's x, right? And I say that's a step 1.
Yeah, I remember.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
why are you assuming things?
Because it says 7 here.
That's a good approach, yeah. And then first, okay.
That's just.
So Luis already got this answer, and then let's see if you get the same thing.
All right.
And then you are missing something here, honey. One
A
more
1?
time. No, what is the operation here?
Negative.
Minus.
Ooh, thank
Okay.
you, Miss Lee. So that's
Why is it a 1?
because negative 10 plus 9.
Mental math. Check it out.
But then why is the 9 still there?
What 9? Oh,
No,
you just want me to erase it a little?
Wow, picky.
Yeah, huh? Worse
So
than
you
you.
have x minus 1, and then yours was negative 1 plus x, right?
Yeah.
And then Luis
yeah.
has this one.
Yeah, mine's prettier.
Are they same thing or different
Yes,
thing?
but mine's prettier.
They're relatively the same thing, but
They
you know,
are
depends
in-
where you look at it.
No,
Like
they are
strength of the wind.
they are exactly same. Okay.
Oh, okay.
If
Okay,
a college professor saw
now-
this, he would pick mine.
Not so sure, man.
So now we know, sorry,
You're okay, Miss Lee.
g
Forgive you.
minus f of x is x minus 1, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now what is g minus of f of x, sorry, f of 7.
You multiply this.
Whoa, we
Wait.
changed it to 7 now?
So instead of using x, what do I do?
7 minus 1.
Yeah.
7 minus 1.
Yes. And then what is the
6.
final answer? Yeah, that's it. So that's the final answer.
It's 6, dude, not
Yeah.
9.
No, it's a 6. Good,
It's because for moving here.
good. So record your answer. Excellent.
Excellent. Wow.
Number 2, without my help.
Let me think about it. No.
Number 2, this one?
So this
Oh,
one.
yeah. What is this? Oh, 6.
Here's what I would suggest. They spend enough time to get through 6.1 and 6.2 and 3 and 4. That's why they feel more comfortable to handle today's lesson. So
Poor
yeah,
Lane.
from now on you come more often,
Yeah.
okay?
Get here.
And then he's gonna help as well.
Yeah, I will.
You better help, you're not sass me.
Okay.
See the other teacher's giving me?
No.
Unacceptable.
Yeah, that's
No.
24/7.
So this is a great setup right now.
But bad execution.
It's a great setup. And then now we need to find what is f of 6 first and get whatever number. Boom. And then find the g of 6 and then find whatever number and then
6F.
combine.
Mm-hmm.
6F, right?
Okay?
6F. 6.
6.
I don't know.
Why did you have.
Here, let me elaborate.
Oh, I know what you think. I know what
Is
you
it
think.
wrong?
I'm sorry, yes. But here's, Luis, here.
Hold on, I'm
Many-
gonna laugh his face.
Many students got confused with this thing, and then they think, oh, this means f times 6. Is that how you think?
No.
Yeah,
Like,
apparently,
many students like, oh, this is f. Okay, so I'm
Unacceptable.
like, no, this is just a notation. This is like
Your breast.
f of 6. What is y value when x is equal to 6? And then you're like, then what do you mean? Which function are we talking about? Function f. So what was your function f? This.
Negative 2x minus 14.
So they're saying, guys, please use 6 for your x. So you need to substitute to this.
Way to go.
You
That's
need
so
to-
cool, man.
You need to
Negative 2
substitute
times 6 minus 14.
14. That's it.
Plus.
So you are not doing this, okay?
Okay, yeah. Thank you, Lee.
Okay.
We're gonna have to explain this. I don't think.
So what is
No.
2 times, negative 2 times 6?
Negative 2 times 6 is negative
Negative
13.
12, you mean?
Yeah, of course.
12. And then minus
2.
14.
2. Wait, minus.
Minus
right.
14. It's even
28.
more negative. Negative 26.
Are you sure? Oh, yeah, it
Yes.
is. I can't believe I doubted you. I'm so sorry.
Okay, so now your job is find then what is g over 6 then? So you know this is not right.
G of 6 is 5
Times
times 6,
6
plus
Plus,
x
Wait,
squared
I've done this already.
no,
with the apostrophe.
you are
squared.
not using x.
I'm
Instead-
sorry, I got lost for a little.
Uh-huh.
All right.
I've done this
Okay.
already.
Louis, dude.
I've done it. Like I figured
It's
it
like
out
that
already.
Ernest Hemingway quote. Please, please, please shut up.
5 times 6.
So look,
It is
5 times
12,
is 30.
And that's 30.
Not 12. Who says 12?
Me.
No.
It's 12.
30.
What is the 6? How
6
do you
times
read
6
this?
is 12.
No. Don't mess up. Are you serious?
It's 306.
No, 6 times 6 is
306.
36.
36.
Not
Thank
12.
you, Lainey.
Yeah, I remember the rhyme from the
36 plus 30 equals.
66.
Come on, Lee.
12 plus 30.
Oh, 6.
Okay, so earlier, well, what
Oh.
is? You have negative 26. Now you need to add positive 66.
It's a hard one. 40?
So, yeah, 40. You got a correct answer. You do.
I
Okay,
already figured it out.
for which
Just
one?
from seeing this, I already know how to do it.
Okay, then can you do number D?
No.
Why
I
not?
think that's what you like.
I'm
to
sorry.
do.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I think your letters actually, Mrs. Lee, but it's okay. You can
Do
call
you
whatever
need
want.
more help on
Oh,
this?
Would it be
or-
like this?
Hope not. I think
So
I got this so
I
far.
think I give enough of help, guys. So you guys working on D?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 questions. I'm gonna let you guys finish those 4.
Wait, why did I do that? I'm so stupid. Do this.
Do you need more of Kleenex?
Thank you, Mrs. Lee.
No, I'm good.
You are not copying someone's answer, right?
Oh, no, they're done. They didn't answer those.
Don't.
Oh, I
So would it
copied
be-
them earlier, but you helped me
Missy,
fix
would it be
them.
Right.
like this? 4 times negative 3 plus 15.
So this is a given. This is a given. And what is this one? Yes. Okay. So you plug negative 3 here, right? G over negative 3. Right?
Where?
Here. That's what it says.
Yeah.
So what is G over negative 3? Instead of X, you're plugging negative 3
It'll be
here.
7 times 3.
Where did you get 7? It says 7? Yes. What is 7 times X
Wait,
cubed?
wait, okay, look. When
You
do
need to
this,
find the X cubed first, right?
Look. Yeah, that's what I was
Yeah.
gonna ask. You need to do the cube first?
Yeah.
So, do you do 7
times,
7 cubed?
Yes,
and
first.
then 7 times 3?
no, you do negative 3 cubed first,
And then 7.
and then times the 7. So what is negative 3 cubed? Marcus, is everything okay? Okay.
Okay, hold on.
Is everything okay, Marquis?
Yeah, definitely.
Here's the thing. They are asking G minus F of negative 7. So you need to have G minus F of X first. Okay? And do not substitute the negative 7 too soon.
We're doing. Hold on.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, we're doing D. I'm sorry. I got distracted by this. Marcus,
I think it's
like,
one there.
hang on. So,
Hang on.
let me, this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
So what you are missing here?
I didn't write down anything for history because
So do it.
I couldn't.
Even if it's not accurate,
Okay.
it's okay, but I need to have a plan, okay? So hang on.
Believe in God, Mrs. Lee.
So you are doing number D. Sorry, my bad. G of negative 3 is negative 12, a positive 12. So do you have 27? Perfect. And then you have, okay, so 20, so what is negative 3 power to the third? What is this thing?
Hold on, let me find it.
Yeah.
Oh, it's power to the third? I thought it was the second. Why are you confusing
And then
me
do
with
you
this?
have negative there? Why do you have a negative in power?
Negative Q.
So it would be like this.
Mhm.
So what is negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3?
Can you just do like 3 times 3?
Yeah,
So 9.
but you need to keep your negative sign.
9.
So negative 3 times negative 3 is a positive 9.
Uh-huh.
Positive
so
9 times negative 3 is
9
positive 9 times negative 3,
is negative.
negative 27.
You said I could do 3 times 3.
Yeah, 3 times 3, but no, it's negative 3 times negative 3, not 3 times 3, which is 9. You still get 9. And then
Yeah.
have negative 3 again.
You lied to me.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
You said I asked if I could
Honey,
do 3 times 3.
honey, I am very serious here. We cannot continue on this if you are not okay with this. Then we need to go back.
No, I asked you if I could do 3 times 3, and that would give me the whole answer for 3
Of
to
course
the third
not.
power.
Does it say positive 3 or negative 3?
Negative.
Then you cannot just drop the sign and make it
Would
positive.
it make a difference if it was positive?
If the exponent is even number, if
Mhm.
it's a second power,
Mhm.
fourth power, 6, 8, 10, then it doesn't matter. It's
Mhm.
gonna be all positive, right? But since your power is cubed, it matters. You cannot simply drop the negative. Okay. So that will be negative 27. Yes. Okay, then what do you get? Okay, so now what do we do? Are we combining these two?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's the final answer?
162.
Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. Oh, please.
Combine.
Okay, guys, I need you to complete the next 3 more questions.
I don't think I'm gonna complete the next 3 questions. Like,
Yeah, you
I'll come
do?
back tomorrow or something.
Why?
I don't know, man.
You
I'm
need a
like-
break?
Yeah, I think I need a break.
Okay.
I'll be right back. Oh, here's your students' papers. I almost took all of them.
This one? Where did you get this?
This is right there, man.
Luis, do you think you can finish all?
I'm seeing.
Okay.
Wait, did I just do C?
Oh, we just did the D.
Oh, then,
And then you...
then I'll do the last 2.
Mm-hmm. So, what are we doing?
Trying to figure out linear,
Mm.
quadratic, and exponential.
So how do we know this is exponential?
Because it gradually increases and curves up, and each of the numbers on the axis.
Oh, I told you I didn't need to do it because I told you I could already do it. So you're like, do D.
Hmm?
I said I didn't need to do it because I already knew how to do it. So you told me to do D.
Okay. So what's the pattern here?
What do you mean?
What's the pattern? And when you watch the
pattern.
video, they show a certain pattern for linear, quadratic, exponential. So you say here it's going to be exponential, and I agree.
Mm-hmm.
But what kind of pattern do you see in this table?
But it increases, it doubles.
Right.
Yeah.
Multiply by the same factor
Mhm.
times 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Okay. How about this one?
That's the one I was confused on.
So when you watch the video, what do they say about exponential? Multiply by same number.
Mhm.
What about linear?
Linear slowly increases. Like,
Okay, increase or decrease.
Increase or decrease.
And then
but-
so you are keep adding or subtracting same number.
Mhm.
And we call it common difference, right? So then what about quadratic? What is the characteristic for quadratic?
That's what I'm not
When
sure
you
of.
analyze the
I-
table.
I thought this one was quadratic just because it doesn't make sense to me as much.
Okay,
I can't see the
I
pattern too
I can simply tell you the answer, but I think it's a time that you start to actually learn how to watch the video and then how to make a good note.
Mhm.
How about you bring your computer here, and then we can revisit the note that you made.
Yeah.
Oh, what's this?
This is me recording this lesson. So
Here's my
we
Other
can use it
papers.
as a resource. Okay.
Do you take all of this and multiply by 2?
Yes. No.
Here it is.
Here, you made this great note. Yeah.
So then that equals
What
this.
did you say?
Like this, but it would be 2.
Constant
Yes.
first difference.
What
That's just
about
what he said in the video. I didn't quite understand what he meant though.
what about quadratic?
Constant second difference.
So here's the thing. When you look at the first difference here, do you see any pattern?
I don't know what he means by first difference.
Okay, so let's look at this one here. You have 2, 2, 2. When x is increased by 1, y value is increased by
2.
2.
Yeah.
That's what it says.
Okay. First difference on this one?
So the first difference is here, right?
Okay, yeah.
Do you see nice pattern here?
Sort of.
Really? I don't see
What's
any.
2
It
times
starts with 14, minus
2
14,
times 3 is like
minus 4, plus
Yeah.
6, plus 16, plus 26. Do you really see a nice,
No,
consistent
not really.
pattern?
Not
No.
consistent.
2 times
So
2 times 2.
now you're going to take a difference of the difference. So you do the one more route here.
Yeah.
So now what do you see?
See that it's plus 10, plus 10.
Each
minus
time.
10, plus 10.
That's what it means, a constant second difference.
So you have to like go.
Yeah, one more.
Okay.
And then when we do that and we
7
say
times 8.
quadratic.
Okay.
Okay, so write that down.
56.
Hi,
Hi.
how is your math going these
What's
days?
that plus 7?
How is your math going?
Oh my god, I died. Like I can't do it. I'm doing like shapes and stuff. And, like,
Geometry.
yeah.
It's
Fun
not,
stuff.
It's not hard.
I
Baby,
did it. I had Neo do it off.
where have you
I
been?
went to PE. I went to second PE.
Oh,
I thought I was allowed to.
okay.
Yeah.
But for you,
I was sweating a lot. I'm still like, oh.
okay, I didn't ask that
Oh.
part.
No,
No, I ask if you want to go to PE every day, I am supporting you.
I think
You-
every day. That's a lot.
Okay,
Every other day.
but no,
Sometimes.
honey, here, focus. You need to be more productive before
What's
you
56
go.
plus 7?
Okay?
Yeah. Should I be like a rule like, I can't go to PE again until I get credit?
Shut it to your lead. Maybe he'll believe if you shut a small little tear.
That's
Like
true.
zoom in onto your regular.
So I didn't suggest this. Do you want to have that deal?
Well, no.
No PE,
We'll
no
talk
PE until you earn 1 credit.
Miss Lee,
I
I'm
think
done.
that's a good idea.
Yeah, that's what me
Okay.
and Vincent do. We talk
Okay.
about that. Yeah.
I'm done. I think I should get a number 8.
Did you do number E, 1 and 2?
I don't know how to do this.
You know
Actually,
how to
I
do
do.
it. Yeah.
I just figured it
It's
out.
not kind of like the net is correct and you have to do that.
I know. I forgot how to do it though. Like I learned a bunch of new stuff.
But anyway, so you are enjoying your geometry now?
No.
Yes.
I'm not enjoying it.
Okay,
I
good.
struggle with the geometry.
I have questions.
Okay. So for that one, I just thought it's steadily increasing or decreasing. It's not exactly one by
sorry.
one
What are we doing here?
Loitering. Sorry.
It's time to go to.
Praise. Of course.
Thank you. It was nice to have you
It was
here.
nice to be here, Mrs. Lee. Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you. See you tomorrow, hon.
See you tomorrow, guys.
Okay. So this one, do you still believe this is yes? It's a linear.
though. Not so much now.
Yeah. So can you correct yourself?
Yeah.
He's on fire.
I know he's
Yeah.
doing it.
Yeah. Very good. Okay. And the next one.
Why did I get a 7 then if I corrected her?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
If I got a good score, right, when I was correcting you on this, then why did I get a bad score?
I didn't say you get a bad score.
Then why do I have a 5?
Oh, your current skill is 5?
I think so.
Okay. Did you know this earlier?
Yeah, we did it. I did it with her.
But
Oh yeah, you.
did you master this?
Yes, I corrected her.
Really? Then how come
Yeah, I think
you
so.
had to get a lot of help from me today?
Because I'm learning new stuff. So I have to
Okay.
focus on those instead of these. And this is older.
Okay. Can you please complete your work?
I'm done.
You got this.
I'm done.
Okay.
No, I'm done.
Yeah. Can I have it?
No.
I'm not following.
Yeah.
Being sarcastic with
So this one, how? Okay, let's take a look at this one first. Are you sure you think this is a
9 is
linear?
negative.
The third example?
No.
Yeah, because when you look at it, I'm like, not anymore. Can you take another look?
Should I do like
Yeah, take
Double it?
take the second.
that's plus 2
The changes of change. Yes.
plus
But we're like
Yeah.
2?
No.
Yeah.
So it's quadratic.
Yeah.
Probably
I'm glad that you
even.
figured that out. Yay.
I just didn't
Oh, yeah.
understand
I
what
didn't
classified them before. Now I get it. And then this
Alright.
one.
Then this one, so all these things, like it's always adding 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 for x. And the second one is, this one is not necessarily, right?
Yeah.
So let's try to figure what is the pattern here.